Here we will see data adapter object in a ADO.NET. ADO.NET dataset is used to hold collection of records similar to data reader object, but it can hold collection of records and the relationship between them. Data adapter objects serve as a bridge between dataset and data source, that is database, to retrieve and save data. These two objects, that is data adapter and dataset, combines to enable both data access and data manipulation capabilities. Data adapter can perform select, insert, update and delete operations in data source. It uses select statement to fill the database and use other three commands like insert, update and delete to transmit changes back to the database. To declare data adapter, use this OLEDB data adapter DA equal to new OLEDB data adapter, which creates DA as an object for OLEDB data adapter. Properties for data adapters are delete command, which represents a delete statement or stored procedure for deleting records from the data source. Insert command represents a insert statement or stored procedure for inserting records to the data source. Select command represents a select statement or stored procedure for selecting records from the data source. Update command represents a update statement or stored procedure for updating records from the data source. Different methods for data adapters are: first is fill. This method fills data records from a data adapter to a dataset object. Fill schema method adds a data table to a dataset. GetFill parameter method retrieves parameters that are used when a select statement is executed. And update method is used to store data from a dataset to the data source.